Want to know how to install older versions of your extensions in Corsair AI? So if you want to install any older versions of any languages, of any testers, or any extension in Corsair AI, this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. So it's almost as the same process of installing an extension, but it needs a little bit of tweaking. So let's get straight to it. Now first things first, you can just simply open up your Corsair AI application right here. And once you have done that, on the top left side, you should be seeing this view right here. Just simply select it. And now once you're on the view, here you should be seeing various options. Now just simply select Explorer right here. And on the right side, you should be seeing extensions. Just simply select that. And now you can just simply select the extension that you want to install. So I'm just going to install this one right here. Now in order to install a specific version, you can just simply select this gear icon right here. And then select install specific version. So once that is done, there should be various versions that should be provided to you. So it ranges from the oldest ones to the latest one, as you can see. So you can just select any one of these and then it should automatically install right here. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.